All right, we're going to start with the twice baked potatoes. First thing we're going to do is take our potatoes, which earlier this week we had baked on our big baking day, day off baking day. And I'm going to go ahead, and if you can see, I'm scraping out the insides of these potatoes, leaving a nice little shell around the outside. And when you get them to about, this point here, that's going to be when you're going to want to stop. Set it inside your baking dish and move on to the next one. When I get these finished, I'll be right back. As you can see, I've gotten those all scooped out, and I'm left with this delicious little pile of taters, to which I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, some delicious sour cream, a goodly sprinkle of some cheddar, and then I'm going to mash this all up. Yum! All right, it's almost to the creaminess I want. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And that looks about good to me. We're going to put this inside of our Ziploc baggie and pipe it into our delicious shells. I'm going to do one for you so you can see what I'm talking about here. Just got my gallon baggie, little hole cut in the end, and I'm just going to pipe that in there. You can make it look pretty if you want to put a star tip on or something like that. I'm just doing them quick and delicious. I'm going to add a little tiny bit of cheese on the top. You could also add bacon or something like that if you choose to. And there you go, my friends. Let's pop these in the oven and start getting delicious.